Oh, o paid â camera fi 'di sticio. O, camera fi wedi sticio. Raid fi check hwnna. Gobeithio chi cadw'n iawn. Nôl ar y bad boy yma. Llyfr ni. Syth i fewn. O, Felyn. Old file. Syth i fewn. Be oedd hanes i? Ocê. Oeddan ni... Yes. Yes.
Welcome home.
Welcome home. Okay. Wedi. Exams. We should. Oh, come in. Going to the tan sul. Okay. Bydd arall eitha neud efo.
Hello. I realize this is sudden, but I'm Margaret. We met at the Velvet Room the other day.
Okay.
There is one important point I forgot to warn you about, so I thought it best to contact you immediately.
Okay.
Going to save your friends is a selfless and noble deed. By all means, we encourage and support you in regards to this matter, but to proceed too hastily in that quest will mean facing one battle after the next. Though you may be pressed for time, devoting yourself to battles will not quench your heart's yearnings. The bonds created through social links are another important means of strengthening the powers of your persona. Do not hasten heedlessly through your days, and remember the importance of moving at a sustainable pace.
Okay.
Please remember that. Well then, if you'll excuse me.
How about that? Everyone's staying able to fill. Okay. Ow. You know. Eisiau testio hwn allan. Na. Corbyn. Dwi eisiau dechrau. O. Iawn. Whoa. Na. Ysgol mae'n chi'n run down. O, dwi'n cofio beth dwi eisiau neud o, man. No, dwi'n cofio beth dwi eisiau neud. Dwi angen ffeindio social links. Ti'n social link? Oh. They're fine. Dwi'm yn gofio be. Ie. Marie, lle ffordd mae Marie? Okay, buy weapons. Dwi efo fo. Chia. Yes. Yes. Sal. Hwnna... O. Oh, okay. Class. Oh, okay. I get it. Good, hwnna. Yes. Yes. Ah, chia, dwi angen... Beth ai wirthu? Di hwnna ta, ai wirthu hein? Dwi wedi gwneud efo hwn. O, na, cadw ia. That's the key now. Clean thing. Okay.
Huh?
Yes. Sure.
Let's go.
So, put the visual novel dating aspect. Phew, I can finally breathe now. It's stuffy in the car. You know, I feel weird. It's like nostalgic. The smell and all. Nostalgic? Yeah, nostalgic. That's what I said. It just feels that way. For stuff I've never noticed before. A steak skewer.
Hey,
Lady, I want one of those skewer things. Oh, hello. That'll be 320 yen, please.
it's difficult to say.
303. Yeah, that's hard to say. That, where?
Huh?
Germany, that's awesome. You're awesome. No. Guys.
What's up?
She's cute, but I just need a vine here. Acquaintance. Is that so? Oh yeah, I'm Yoshiki Hanamura. I'm his friend, his partner, you know? Partner? You mean like a close friend? That's about sums it up. What's your name? I don't have met some met. Yeah. Marie. Marie-chan, is it? You want a skate skirt? Alright, this one's on me. You mean you'll buy it for me? Is that okay? You should deserve yourself. Oh, don't worry, I got this next to my left paycheck. What? Oh my, this. I've sold 3 steak skewers. My family can eat. Wow. Is that belly full or what? This place always has huge portions. So, Mary-chan, what do you think of the local speciality? It's really weird. It's tough. Hard to fight it when I got cold while I was still eating it. It was delicious. Oh, that's good. Didn't sound like you liked it at the beginning there. But all's well that ends well.
Hey.
Hey, why's it called steak anyway? Is it short for something? Short for beef steak.
Beef steak?
Beef steak? If you drop the word beef from it, don't get any sense of what it is made of. It should be like F steak. That's not much better. Marie-chan's a strange kid, huh? But they're whiny. That's fucking rude. That's rude. Just killing the vibe, remember? I have it. Well, that makes her cute, I guess. Stop it, it's about whiny. You eat this every day? No fair. I should have come earlier. Seems Maria's taken liking to skate skewers. You made small talk with your skate and Marie.
Whoa.
Crap, I left my key back in the locker at work. Better go back to Tunes. See you later, Emrys. You too, Mari-chan. Zoom! Your partner's a funny person. That he is. Throw down with the dates. But he bought me meat. That makes him a good person. That is fact. Hey, let's go somewhere else. Somewhere with a nice view. The hill overlooking town. After several times in which you lost Marie the moment you took your eyes off her, you managed to bring her here. It's really green here. Green and green. And some brown and dark green. Dark green. Leaves are green, fly away. Farewell to you, clouds of the sky. I fly as well, lost as the day. Farewell to you, moon of the night. Marie's murmuring something to herself. Whatever it is, it rhymes.
I said no.
No, I wasn't making up a poem. It's just some words I was thinking. That's all. Yeah. Shut up. I hate you, you stupid jerk. Don't snoop on me. Marie's blushing. Wow, it's pretty big. I don't know why, but I feel good about this place. It reminds me of something. Are there any other places we can go? I want to see more. I'll show you around. Please do. I know a lot of things when I'm with you. It's pretty fun. You sense that Marie expects something of you. You feel like you understand Marie a bit more now. Yes! Friendship! Thou art high and I am thou. Thou hast established a new bond. It brings thee closer to the truth. Thou shalt be blessed when creating personas of the Aeon Arcana class. The Marie social link of the Aeon Arcana. Yay! Alright, next. Where to now?
See ya.
Showing around, then escort her back to the Velvet Room. Goodbye. Goodbye!
Welcome home.
Hello, Nanako. How are we today? Ooh. Let's sneak out and do something. Where will he go? We have a shrine, missing a shrine. A Kima. Ooh. Chill spine. The courage to be at least reliable. Ah! Commander Kai. Dang. Oh, heen en över. Kai Savga. Riverbank. Again down, this is my Really byd gallu ei fan lle na guys. Ada, Palm James lle. Bydd dim courage I fanna. Yn hyn ddim yn dweud. Go to sleep. Yay.
Yo!
Yo, Emrys. Hey, I want to ask you. You know we can enter enter TVs now. Have you ever tried sticking a hand in when the TV's on? What I mean is, have you tried touching the screen while the midnight channel's on? Tell him you tried that. Oh, ahead of the game. No wonder you're a leader. But Galvin, innit? That's interesting, though. Shouldn't you could? So you couldn't go to the place that was shown on TV. Seems like it made so much sense too. But now I think about it some more, of course it wouldn't work. Teddy said... That seems sort of contradictory. Well, looks like we've got to suck it up and march straight into the cat's castle. But we can't really complain. Yuka-san is way worse than us. Well said. Whoa, dull teacher. Some isn't dull none of us. Go puppet. Alright. Settle down now. Class in session. My name is Mr. Hosori, and in this class we'll be learning about contemporary writing. Let's all have fun. No, this is off topic, but what's the point of applying for college outside Inaba? Why even bother? Nothing good ever comes out of competing with city folk. The countryside is all you need. Oh, fuck off. Well, since this is our very first lesson, why don't you show me how much you already know? Now then, how many parts are there in... Obviously, dwi'n gwybod yr atabion. Okay, Google. How many parts are there in Murakami's The Wind Up Bird Chronicle? Oh. 3. How? Ah, very good, Hana-chan. Either you're more literally look, or that was a lucky guess. Okay. Lifesaver. Intelligence and issue. Okay, I'm not even. Let's grind some levels. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, is there... Don't...
Iawn, so dwi wedi cael top newydd. Just wedi cael top newydd. Okay, let's go. Play advantage, ideal.
There's only one.
Win, so skill. Persona! Oh shit.
One enemy! Fight! 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 Persona!
Persona!
It's down!
Come on, my lover.
Someone else's turn.
Oh, what? Okay. Goed, we Corriet is open. Combat strats. Okay, he was combat strat. Okay. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'm scoffed your combat strats. Na, sy'n gwared yun man.
Three enemies, but they're too slow. This enemy's.
Right. Skill. Okay.
You hit its weakness.
keep it
Smart move, Sensei.
I just have to confirm. Assad.
3 enemies left. Electricity should work well. Go!
Oh, what?
Yikes, it's tough.
Come on.
Go, Sensei! You knocked it down!
Wasta going with an SP, remember?
You hit its weakness.
All right, let's go.
Yes! Yes, man. Come on, fit it out. Money.
I gotta keep up my training.
Jij kochen really anodd. Ah! Stop.
I smell 2 enemies. Beat them up.
What you whack?
Go, Sensei! You knocked it down.
Hey, Wayne.
It's down.
Come on. Yes! Okay, well, lots of attacks and that are gonna be on. Just kidding.
All right, I leveled up.
Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Heb je koffer in Korkna? What? Evasion 1. I'm a thing low. No, thank you.
That's a strong enemy. Don't get
Ah,
hurt.
dwi'n mynd I safio. Phantom Mage, beth fel Phantom Mage. Phantom Mage, weak I Electric. Okay. Okay, Burning Beetle. Weak I Ice. Oh, okay. So, guard.
2 enemies. Charge through them. Go,
See you later.
Sensei! You knocked it down!
Ah, what?
It got back up! Hurry and beat it! It's down! Go! Good move, Chie-chan!
Ah, what?
It got back up! Hurry and beat it!
It's not going down.
Go, Sensei! You knocked it down!
Let's go in.
Great, Sensei! Go for broke!
Come on!
It's down!
I tell.
Okay.
What's wrong, man?
Oh no! Chie-chan, they lowered your
Got some
offense!
thick skin.
Ah, no.
That's my true strength.
Stick on that. Stick on that. Really like a shuffle time.
Three enemies, but they're too slow!
Bring him with a persona.
Persona.
You hit its weakness! Smart move, Sensei!
The pain milker.
Electricity should work well!
Whoa.
Enemies down! Go, Sensei, go!
It's not going down.
Three enemies! Let's get through this!
Yeah. Yikes, it's tough.
Okay.
Two enemies left! Go, Sensei! You knocked it down!
Come on! Persona! Someone finish it off!
Ah.
It got back up! Hurry and beat it! Yosuke's on the warpath! Keep it going!
What?
Ah! Three enemy
Ah,
reinforcements!
to są, man.
Go, Sensei! You knocked it down! Go, Sensei!
Nice move,
You knocked it
partner.
down!
Oh, the worst SP, remember?
It's down!
Here's our...
Oh, what?
Yosuke's on the warpath! Keep it going!
Okay, let's just go shuffle time. Una vela. Una vela. Ah, passando. It's gonna be. Nah. Yeah. Be careful.
Two enemies! You can attack before them! It's...
Counting on you.
Oh, good one, Yosuke! You hit its weakness!
Persona.
Hello.
It's down!
Let's catch.
Dude, he lost a lot. Gone with this fucking P.
Two enemies! Charge through!
Someone finish it off!
Attaboy, Yosuke! You're in the zone!
Shuffle time. Yay!
I leveled up.
Hey, Dill. No! Huh? Oh, okay. What? Ah,
There are two enemies! This one's
let's
big.
take.
Ele-
Let's take.
Two enemies left!
Some thick skin.
Ah, baby.
Persona.
Persona!
Go,
Got the Stilo.
You knocked it down!
The Stilo. What's this PV kid? Pylon. It wasn't bad. Oh, fuck off. Nah, 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 nah. Oh, ideal.
You did it, Sensei!
What's something bit?
Sensei, are you okay? Your health's low!
I find that's involved. Mynd i fanna ddo. That's something wrong.
2 enemies. Hang in there.
Throw down.
Oh, good one, Yosuke. You hit its weakness. It's down.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Here we come.
2 enemies left. Chie-chan is swatting them left and right.
All right, I leveled up.
Okay. Ah, my thing hasn't been done. Oh. Oh well. Oh well. Fuck it.
Oh my
Oh!
goodness!
Hello!
It seems strong, but I'm sure
Hope
you'll
so.
win.
Hey, o edrych iawn yma. Un shout-out. Gen i shout-out. As o'n beth i fynd ar y sgrin, rwan. Oh, beth ffwc dwn. Magical Magnus. Hwna'n weak i light. Sgrin light attack. Dwi wedi neud cocker. Dwi wedi neud cocker.
Just 1 enemy left.
Items. Hey, diolch yn fawr iawn, Prime Gang. Ti'n dwi am nid hynna. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n ti di... No! Ah! Ti'n falch na di bost i hwn. Ti'n sbwylio!
Australia, na na. Ydy yn Austria, na na. A'r babar bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Ble mae'r babi? Babi. A'r babar bach newydd yn Bethlehem.
O, dwi'n colli follower. It's dechrau stream a, o'n i efo 147 followers. A dwi'n mynd lawr i 146 followers. Class.
Na na. Beth y Patagonia, na na. A'r babar bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Ble mae'r babi? Babi. A'r babar bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Ble mae'r babi? Babi. A'r babar bach newydd yn Bethlehem.
Dyna'r babi, ie.
Na na. Ydy yn Nigeria, na na. Ydy yn China. Ma'r baban bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Le ma'r babi, pa babi. Ma'r baban bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Le ma'r babi, pa babi. Ma'r baban bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Ydi Tasmania, na na. Neu Saudi Arabia, na na. Ydi Englanderia, na na. Ma'r baban bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Le ma'r babi.
Diolch yn fawr iawn am y Channel Point Redemption. Ella na i godi hwnna. Dwi'n offer y gam, dwi'n gadael y gam off pan cyn mynd i o'n yma. Os fel ma'n boss. Dyle fi safio gem. It's cool. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi angen... Hwna'n annoying o fanna. Lle dwi fod o fama'n iawn? Che. View. What? Enable preview? Oh. Studio mode. Fama. Fanna. Bang. Copy. That. Hwnna'n iawn. One. Ein mymryn bach. Mae fanna'n edrych yn good spot. No. Pa ydw i... Dwi'n meic fi'n tyrio? Hw. Dwi'n meic... Shifter nes i. Nes i studio mod. Dwi'n fath o cytio off nes i studio mod. Ddylai fod yn iawn nhw'n gobeithio? Hide. Ie, fi nath... O'n i'n meddwl bod chi'n mynd i studio mod, a'ch chi'n gallu switcho fo, apparently ti ddim. Boss battle. Allan o'r ffordd. So, dwi'n gwybod faint ti'n gwybod amdan Persona oen. Persona 4 Golden di hwn. Dwi'n massive Persona 4 fan. Dwi efo'r anime series ar DVD o'r specific game yma hefyd. Mae hwn yn ail version o'r game yma. Yukiko di mate ni. Ond dim Yukiko sy'n flaen ni, Shadow Yukiko. Sef repressed thoughts and feelings Yukiko. A mae Yukiko ond yn gallu fod yn ei hun os ti'n derbyn Shadow Yukiko. Mae met fi di mynd trwy'r broses ma'n barod. Mae Yukiko angen derbyn hefyd. So, ti up to date o. A Teddy di o. Fi o'n thing arall gyfer gwbl.
One enemy! Whoops! It caught you off guard!
Iawn. Diamond shield. Oh, my fucking just giving.
One enemy.
Oh, it's my thing just giving me the. Oh my god.
You hit its weakness.
Come on. Oh, the Dal Silver. Whoa. God. 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 Oh, I can take that. God. 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 Fire resistance. Yn iawn. So. Kick. Kick.
Someone else's turn.
So mae hwn... mae Persona series gyd yn based on weaknesses. So os dwi'n mynd i analysis, mae gennych chdi fire, ice, electric, wind, light and dark. A maen nhw'n weak a... So ti'n gwybod ffeindio allan beth sy'n weak a beth sy'n ddim yn weak. Stuff. Does that make sense? So, wrth chwarae hwn o blaen, dwi'n gwybod fod y cymeriad yma'n weak i fire. Gobeithio yn y sens. Oh!
Give up, Yosuke.
God.
You're gonna pay, damn it.
God. Okay.
It's down.
All right.
Oh, ddod fi di health o fyny. Head wall. Ti'n gallu cymryd hits, so... Lifestone.
Sorry.
Gallio chdi. Ti efo red wall. So dwi jyst yn gad. Ti wedi clywed y gan ble mae'r babi Sound of the Summer yn hollol. Dwi'n ystyried newid ble mae'r babi. Dwi'n ystyried o. Mae o yn ar yn meddwl i bensio ble mae'r babi. Dwi'n di penderfynu eto. Dwi heb penderfynu eto. Y can. Y can. Dwi'n yn siŵr eto. Dwi'n di penderfynu eto. Yn sub. No, ia. Gai weld. Oh my god. God. Yes, swn i'n newid o, am yn rhywbeth. O na, dim ystod boss battle! Dim ystod... Na! O na ti... Mae'n dywyd o. Mae'n newid fod. Ydych chwarae? Rhaid fi wneud oedd ffwl. O, rhaid fi manwl i neud hwnna. Weithio ti'n hapus. Hwn o'n boss battle.
Ble mae'r babi? Pa babi? A'r baba'r bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Ble mae'r babi? Pa babi? A'r baba'r bach newydd yn Bethlehem. Ydy yna
stream yma, a ydych chi'n myth the fates. O, marwa! Oh my god. Os gwybod ddim... Ydyn nhw'n gallu nesbi?
Mae'r baban bach newydd yn Bethlehem, le mae'r babi, babi. Mae'r baban bach newydd yn Bethlehem, le mae'r babi, babi. Mae'r baban bach newydd yn Bethlehem.
Ydyn mynd yma rest o'r music. Iawn, rhaid fi stopio chwarae gêm yn chydig gwan. Ei bod ni bwncyn ble mae'r babi'n gorffan. Just the ydy bwncyn camera fi di hewi. Camera fi di... Diolch yn fawr iawn. 2 ble mae'r babi mewn un stream. Waw. Just i pwynt allan, os dwi'n cael gwared o ble mae'r babi, mae'n rhywbeth arall yn dod yn lle fo. Swn i'n deud yn mwy o bangar na hwnna. Mae'r fideo dwi eisiau chwarae wedi bod ar y stream o blaen gyda fi. Pwy bynnag oedd yn gwatcha fi ar gyfer stream Dydd Gwyl Dewi, ond yna fersiwn very specific o Lionel Richie Hello. Dwi'n ystyried newid ble mae'r babi i'r fersiwn Cymraeg o Hello. So... Find channel point. 2 million. 2 million channel point. I hwnna. So. Chdi nath y sym o blaen dod ti, mae hynna'n cymryd, mae'n mynd i literally cymryd blynyddoedd. Os ti'n aswmio dwi'n streamio unwaith yr wsos. Rhaid fi mynd i stream Element. Mae byncyn Just Giving na dal. Mae byncyn dangos. Rhaid fi gwared. Stream Elements. Tools. Chatbots. Man. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, ond un chat command really specific on gyda fi fanna. Yeah, that's gone. That's gone. Timers. Donation off. 1,000 streams. Beth os dwi'n neud faint o 24 hours streams ti angen? Dwi'n cael mae'n chwarae gem. Faint o 24 hours streams dwi angen neud i chdi cael... I chdi cael beth isio. Last key. Oh. I am but a tap soul. I cannot leave this place even if I wished. UK Sensei, I'm sure you've got a long way to go. Don't push yourself too hard. Tell you should head back. Nah! The Helio though. Okay. Okay. Cos fyddai'n chwarae hwn. Dwi'n... Ebres guarantee, mi fyddai yn gorffan y gem ar stream. Dau rheswm pam. Dwi angen mynd nôl i fewn i gallu chwarae games am hirach un stream. Ail rheswm. Dwi'n really enjoyo Persona. Dwi'n lyfio Persona series. Best series ever fi. So, bydd chwarae fo ddim yn hassle. 3. Y trydydd rheswm allan o ddau. Byna dipyn ys fi chwarae hwn, a dwi'n wedi chwarae Golden yn iawn. A pedwerydd rheswm allan o ddau. Cos. Just cos. I fi stopio chwarae Fortnite on stream. Ti'n trwy'n announce staying at your family inn? Shut up! Shut up! Someday though, that's a sight. Wow, you're looking gorgeous in that kimono. You have a lot of male visitors. Leave me alone. I'm sick of it. I don't get what's going on with all those voices, but I can sense that we're getting closer. Hang in there. Go. Super suck. Shit.
But they're too slow.
Yw na, heat balance. Fe mae heat balance yn weak here. Yeah. Shoot. My go. Shoot. Iawn. Persona! Mae'n iawn.
That was a good one, Sensei.
So we actually digon...
You're awesome, Sensei. Go, go, go!
Ah, dos o ma!
3 enemies. Let's get through this.
Come on! Yikes, it's tough.
O, os ydych chi'n lladd chdi. What? Ah, shit.
It got back up. Hurry and beat it. It got back up. Hurry and beat it.
Come on!
Go, go! Is swatting them left and right.
Couldn't quite beat it.
Yosuke's on the warpath.
Yeah, just...
Keep it going.
Oh, shit! Ysmwyd dwi'n mynd chwarae fyny!
Couldn't quite beat it.
Ysmwyd dwi'n mynd fel la! Iawn, dwi angen mwy o... Ooh, get school. Sweet bonus!
Congratulations, Sensei!
Oh, the Soma! Oh, shit.
Smell 2 enemies! Beat them up!
Yeah, done.
This enemy...
Throw down. Damn, it's not going down.
2 enemies! Charge through them!
What? Well, that's similarly illegal.
More of that, Chie-chan! We can't lose! Chie-chan is swatting them left and right!
Some thick skin.
It got back up! Hurry and beat it!
Come on!
It's down!
Here's a...
Dwi angen cael hyd I gem hefyd I... Oh my god, dwi'n picio. Dwi angen gem I... Wow, beth ein? Dwi'n allan yna. Na, ddod I heb, ddo. No! Okay. Ti'n strong. Gered.
Another level for me.
Dwi'n mynd yna. Ie, dwi angen cael hyd I gêm arall I chwarae ar y cyd efo hwn hefyd. Dwi'm yn gwybod beth o. Gêm sy'n groes I hwn. Preferably. Fuck off. No. Dwi'n gwybod beth allai chwarae ar y cyd efo hwn. Oh my god!
I smell 2 enemies! This one's...
Some thick skin.
What?
2 enemies! Charge through them! Go, Sensei!
That's
You
how
knocked
it's
it
done.
down!
Come on.
It's down!
O'n I ddim meddwl dechrau chwarae
Keep it going!
Gran Turismo 4.
Enemy left!
Hwna oedd gynna fi dan syniad.
Protect me, Tomoe!
So, chwarae fo bob yn ail fo hwn. Jedi Fallen Order? O, ti'n fo Hunt Showdown? Dwi Owain yn Hunt Showdown players. Yndan, mae... Owain a fi'n chwarae lot o... Oeddwn ni'n chwarae lot o... Da ni'n Hunt Showdown Rose. Da ni'n reit da. Ydy Fallen Order werth chwarae? Fel rhywun sydd ddim yn bothered am Star Wars, ydy o werth i fi chwarae fo? Ia, Stream Hunt yn fuan, lle. Mae'n ages, ys ni'n chwarae Fallen Order dwytha oen. Dwi'n pwysio look fi yma. Ti yma dwi'n pwysio look fi. O, chdi.
A rare monster! Beat the stuffing out of it!
O, i cofio chdi sôn, actually. Ideal. Happiness Hand, sut dwi'n cael... Almighty. Happiness Hand, dwi'n na. Mae hein efo lot o... Yes! Oh, yes! Jam man. No! Bash.
That's some thick skin.
One enemy! Fight!
Yes! Okay. Hey, slime. Bring on slime though. Nah. Scared.
I gotta keep up my training.
Yes. So hwnna ta. So, mae yna elfen oedd Pokemon ni. So ti actually gwffio personas chdi. A ti'n gallu creu persona... Neu angos wedyn, mae o'n awesome.
Alright, I leveled up.
Mae'n ddim yn... Skies Mask, be mae hwnna'n... Okay. Fi... Yeah. Soba. Na! Oh, hey, eto.
I smell 2 enemies. Beat them up. Electricity. 2 enemies. Charge through them.
It's not going down.
It's no war of that every day. You can't hide from me. You gotta pray for the roots.
Persona!
In the face of this out is free. When your friends and boss look come back in the face of it.
Go, Sensei. You knocked it down.
All the places. Come on!
Na, wrong!
Woohoo, Chie-chan. That's 1.
That's some thick skin.
1 enemy. Fight, fight, fight.
Wast! Wast!
It's down.
Here's our ticket!
Come on. O, dwi'n falch, ti wedi cael hunt, dyd ti? Ech chi chwarae efo fi o wain chi diwrnod. Dwi'n joio. Dwi'n angen chdi. I fynd. O na, mae o'n... Ia. Mae o'n... Dwi Owain reit... chill. Pan mae'n dod i'r gem yna. Mae gyd yn dod allan o... Dwi rili isio gallu chwarae Escape from Tarkov. Hwna dwi isio chwarae, ond mae just too much i fi. A mae Hunt yn good approachable version o Hunt from Tarkov. Ti'n jumpio fewn i'r map a na fo, a ti'n cael... Ia. Dwi'n joio fo. Ydy o ddim, really, mae Tarkov fatha... Mae'n sefyllach chi... O, stop! Dwi eisiau gwybod ni mwy!
2 enemies. Beat them up. Go, Sensei. You knocked it down.
Mae just yn mor... O, do, stop! Wow, wow, wow!
Got back up. Hurry and beat it. 2 enemies. Charge through them.
Ia, yn hollol. Mae o'n ideal. Fel la.
It's down. Girl. Good move, Chie-chan.
What? No!
Counting on you. Someone else's turn.
It got back up. Hurry and beat it.
Yes, no. Skill shit.
Couldn't quite beat it.
No one stands in Sensei's way.
It's not going down.
Oh no! Chie-chan, they lowered your
Someone
offense!
finish it off!
Oh my god, marwa!
It's not going down.
It got back up! Hurry and beat it! 1 enemy! Fight! Fight! Fight!
Take this!
Mae Tarkov chi sweaty. Dwi'n hynny di'r term. Yes. Yes.
Two enemies. You can attack before them.
Someone else's turn.
Two enemies left.
Come on!
You hit its
Great
weakness.
moves, Chie.
Keep it up, Chie-chan. Awesome. Chie-chan's in rampage mode.
It's not going down.
Just one enemy left.
Yikes, it's tough.
Marwa. Yes.
Ooh, that went well.
Soul drop. Wat was dat? Gaan de minnen farma. Gaan we zien nou. Gaan we zien nou. Too little and dead end. Oh, mae hyn yn randomly generated gyda llaw dungeons ma. So, os na i fyny law grisia, mae'n resetio. Dwi'n pwysio look fi. Wow.
I smell two enemies. Beat them up.
Bad.
It's not going down.
Two enemies left.
Come on!
You hit its weakness. Keep it up, Chie-chan. It's down.
Yep. Kick her shit after the Beatles done.
Amazing, Sensei. Keep it up.
Come on! Take
Woohoo, Chie-chan.
Chie.
That's one.
Take
Just get away from me. Hey. Oh my god, Dane.
Two enemies. You can win this.
Positive
Do your
king.
best.
I'm a positive king. And we paid a dweud. Light and dark. Ydw i. Sandman, beth sy'n chdi? Video fo.
2 enemies left!
Like some thick skin.
Come on! Take this!
Come on.
Someone finish it off!
Okay, okay.
Throw down. Someone else's turn.
Right.
Come on! Yeah! Yikes, it's tough!
Ah, beth sy'n symud ni o?
Enemy reinforcements!
What?
Hurry and beat them!
Throw down. That's some thick skin.
3 enemies! Let's get through this!
Sgrin digon o.
You're awesome, Sensei! Go, go, go!
Come on! Yikes, it's tough!
It got back up! Hurry and beat it!
Yes.
Let's do this, Jiraiya. 2 to go. We can do this. Persona. Someone else's turn.
No one stands in Sensei's way!
Bach G.
Couldn't quite beat it.
Counting on you. That's some thick skin.
Just 1 enemy left!
Skull Crusher.
Hey, congrats!
Okay, dwi'n meddwl dwi wedi pwysio look fi. Rwan, dwi'n meddwl. Na. Na. Oma. No, that's scream fucking. Scream dim. Dwi heb safio. Oh no! In. Okay, going there. Pains down. F it. F it. YOLO. YOLO. Been a very stupid idea. Very, very stupid idea. Dwi heb die safio ers awr a hanner. As dwi'n marw, dwi'n
I knew
Dwi'n
it.
mynd i
There's
last
two
save.
of her.
Oh? Ooh, what's this? 3 princes are here to see me. My, my. Are you the surprise guests who came in late? Oh, I wish I'd gotten a better look at you. My, it's getting crowded here. Why don't you and I go somewhere else? A land far, far away where no one knows me. If you're my prince, you'd take me there, won't you? Come on, pretty please?
Oh, is this scoring a hot stud?
Ydy, come on.
3 princes? Wait, does that include me too?
Ooh, no.
Duh. The third one's gotta be me.
I seriously doubt that.
Whoa. Hey.
Yay! Yes, she's my prince. She always leads the way.
O, dwi'n dyfaru ddim safio, wan.
She's a strong prince. Or at least she was.
Dyfaru ddim safio.
Was?
When it comes down to it, Chie's just not good enough.
What?
She can't take me away from here. She can't save me.
What?
Yukiko! Stop.
Historic inn? Manager training? I'm sick of all these things chaining me down. I never asked to be born here. Everything's decided for me, from how I live to where I die. I'm so sick of it. To hell with it all.
That's not true.
I just want to go somewhere far away. Anywhere but here. Someone please take me away. I can't leave here on my own. I'm completely useless.
Stop. Please stop.
I have no hope if I stay, and no courage to leave. So I sit on my ass, hoping that someday my prince will come. I don't care where we go. Anywhere's fine. As long as it's not here, I don't give a damn.
Whoa. Not nice.
Historical tradition, pride of the town. What a bunch of bullshit.
How dare you?
Hey, shit.
That's how I really feel. Isn't that right, me?
O,
No.
os ti wedi cyfadda na chdi ydi o. Os ddim yn troi fyny monster.
Stop! Don't say it!
Don't say it.
No! You're not me!
Ah! Pam ddech chi'n bendu specifically deud y lein yna bod tro?
This feels wonderful. It's building more and more. If this keeps up.
No! Dwi'n mynd i troi fyny hwnna.
Yukiko!
We have to stop it. That girl's in danger.
We know.
It's alright, Yukiko. Just
Ti'n mynd i gan speed point? Seriously? I've effed up.
I shadow the true self. Now, my prince, why don't we dance and make merry together?
hang in there, Yukiko. I'm right here for you.
Oh, really? Then plenty to deal with.
What?
Throw down! Persona!
Oh, weak to ice. Oh, dwi fuck. Dwi 'di neud massive mistake. Dwi 'di neud massive mistake. Dwi'n sy'n strong. Bai, oh, di. Item. No. Then. Shield. Hello, King Kong, Small Dong. Chi iawn? Dwi'n chwarae Japanese RPG. A dwi wedi neud cocker. Dwi wedi neud massive cocker.
What?
Okay. Gad. 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 Passionate. Gad. 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 Fair Gad. 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 Resist. Attack. Bidi Pusika. Go on, kick your shit out of the fucking dairy mat. Let's go. Kick the living.
You're in my way.
Dwi'n meddwl gynna fi ddigon I... Sgynna fi ddim digon I... Lladdu. Oh my god. Gad. 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 Passionate stare. Gad. 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 Burnt ashes. Gad. 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 Mewn hwnna. Dwi'n literally'n cwffio personification o intrusive and evil thought un o ffrindiau fi, Elis. So... Shit.
Are you okay, Sensei? So Someone heal him!
Counting on you. Persona!
No! Okay. Doen die waren aan. Wel.
Counting on you. Persona!
Thanks a million. Come on!
We're not done yet. Show me this strength of yours.
Oh, laat hem die waren gaan.
Come, my prince.
Oh shit, what?
Yikes! This is one tough.
I'm a charming prince and Persona! Please stay gonna be gone. Fine.
Throw down! Persona!
Whoa!
Counting on you. Persona!
En jou no.
Nice!
Chie-chan can't use her persona!
Use your fists! Oh shit.
Chie-chan's in danger! Heal her!
That's not how it's supposed to work. You have to escort me.
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Item.
Counting on you. Persona!
Oh, I've had it with you.
What?
Chie-chan can't use her persona!
Be fuck.
Counting on you. Persona!
My prince. My dear prince.
Oh my god, ze doen nergens zoveel, man. Haha. Oeh.
Why? Why won't he come?
No one's coming! Now's your chance to attack!
Counting on you. Persona!
So pob yn fyw. Yes! Oh shit, dyle fi di newid sŵn na fi. Oh, yr un person ni heb dweud bunking thing there. Self-care.
You're in my way.
Fuck sex.
You're in my way.
Counting on you. Persona!
Looks like I had the wrong idea. You're no princes. Die, you worthless commoners!
Oh my god, what? Nah, 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 nah.
Yosuke's scared!
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Counting on you. Persona!
Stop hitting her!
Yosuke's scared!
Sorry.
You're in my way.
Yosuke's in danger! He needs help!
Counting on you. Persona!
Di marw, ha?
Yosuke's scared!
Sorry.
Ddylai fi heb mynd o'n i ffeit ma fel hyn.
You're in my way.
Chie-chan's in danger! Heal her!
Na.
Chie-chan's really hurting! It's cornered! You're nearly there! Chie-chan's really hurting! Heal her!
Counting on you. Persona!
Fi actually ni...
Yosuke's scared!
Ah! Bes. Best ever. Nes i hyd o healio fyny cym ni ffeit na. Dwi'n gaijin. Dwi'n gymaint o gaijin. Gaijin di? Japanese gaijin. Gaijin. Be dwi'n siarad term yn iawn, gweithio dwi yn.
Yukiko! Yukiko, are you hurt?
No, I'm not.
We understand. You're not the only one like that, Yukiko-san.
Oh, mae 'na lot of feels yn hwn. A lot of emotions a feeling.
Everyone has something they can't show to other people, or don't want to admit to themselves.
Yukiko, I'm sorry. I was so self-centered that I never understood what you were going through. I'm your friend, and I'm so sorry.
Our friendship.
Chie. I was always jealous of you, Yukiko. You had everything that I didn't. That jealousy was like a wall, and I was so lonely. I wanted you to need me. But it was me who needed you.
Oh, power
I
friendship.
couldn't do anything right on my own. I've caused so much trouble for Yosuke and the others. If you weren't by my side, I wouldn't know what to do.
Chie. I never saw the real you either. I was too busy trying to find an easy way out. I want to run away. I want someone to save me. You're right. Those feelings are part of me too. I understand now. You're me.
With the acceptio. With the acceptio. Oh, I'm gonna heap persona.
Yukiko!
Dau ddiwrnod yn neud dungeon.
Are you okay?
Not bad.
Yes, I'm just a little tired. You all came to rescue me.
Yes.
Of
Because
course!
I am the protagonist of this story.
Thank you.
Don't even mention it. I'm just so glad you're safe.
Right on.
Right on.
So, who threw you in here?
Huh? Who are you? Rather, what are you?
Hey, Rude.
I'm Teddy. So who threw you in?
I don't know. I think someone called my name. But my memory's a blur. I can't remember who it was. I'm sorry. Teddy?
No new clues.
Not necessarily. Now we know for sure that someone threw Yukiko-san in here.
Then it really isn't you guys.
Dal mewn y fi ddo. Neis.
Just joking.
You're one lying sack of honey.
You're one lying sack of honey. Hwna di thing newydd i'n iwsio bobl.
Anyways, let's hurry back home. Yukiko looks exhausted. Thanks again.
Wait, you're leaving me here?
Leaving you? What are you talking about? You live here.
Well, yeah, but...
I'm sorry, Teddy. I promise to come again. So be a good boy and wait here until then.
My, it's getting crowded here. Why don't you and I go somewhere else?
Hey!
Come on, pretty please.
Ah, you're giving me the creeps.
Yeah, they only just
That's it. You're stuck here for the rest of your life.
Yeah. Creepo.
Yukiko, are you alright? You're not hurt anywhere, are you?
No, I'm just a little tired.
Don't remember anything.
I'm sorry, but I don't remember anything.
Well, no worries. You're safe, and that's more than enough.
But there's no mistake that Yukiko-san was, attacked the same way as the last two victims.
What?
And I think the one we saw on the Midnight Channel wasn't the real Yukiko-san, but her shadow.
Yeah.
Maybe the things Yukiko-san was suppressing in this world took form in the TV.
Yeah.
You know, Teddy was saying something like that.
O'n i'n meddwl ni wedi derbyn hyn I gyd. O'n i'n meddwl oedd hyn yn known knowledge. Mae'n siarad amdano fath am y thing newydd.
It's no use. I'm just going round and round in circles.
Ai.
What kind of person could be doing this?
A pam ti'n dal yn gwisgo earphones chdi? Mae'n rhwyd. Let's give it some thought. Yeah.
Wait, can't we talk more about this some other time? Yukiko really needs to get some rest. I'll take her home.
Oh, that's right. Sorry. Yukiko-san must be exhausted.
Ai. Oh, by the way, I pobl sy'n mwyn gwybod, y ffordd dwi'n mynd i'r other world ydi trwy television.
We'll talk about all this some more once she gets her strength back.
Just so da chi'n gwybod. You were able to rescue Yukiko safely. Cos dwi'n pro-Japanese enthusiast gamer, nes I wneud y dungeon na mewn 2 diwrnod. Game time. I'r common gamer, so hwnna wedi cymryd 4-5 trip i'r byd yna. Ond cos dwi'n wild worst yn y byd yma, o'n i'n gallu neud o mewn 2 trip. O'n i jyst eisiau haelu.
He's home!
Ooh, di ba yma?
Hi there.
We got off work at the same time, so I'm giving him a ride back to his place. I thought we might as well swing by.
Nice to meet you. I'm Adachi, the guy who's been your dad's slave since spring.
Hey!
I can still work you harder, you know.
A good one, sir. Oh, I almost forgot. You're friends with Yukiko Amagi, right? They found her safe and sound. Tell all your friends at school.
That's a... Oh, we already know. Oh, you a lot.
Oh, thanks.
What's we been doing?
Wow, someone thanked me for a job well done. I don't know what to say. But this doesn't mean the case is closed, though. We were just questioning Miss Amagi, but she says she doesn't remember anything that happened while she was missing. And we can't figure out her whereabouts during the missing period either. It's like she really disappeared.
Huh?
It's all pretty fishy if you ask me. Like there's something else going on.
Ooh.
Ow!
Stop blabbering, dumbass.
Sorry.
Ignore him. He's just spouting some wild fantasy.
Ooh, okay. I'll forget it then.
Yeah, don't give it a second thought. Sheesh. He's a real pain sometimes.
I'm hungry.
You're right. My stomach's growling too.
So you do have a softer side around Nanako-chan, sir.
Shut up and sit down. And wash those hands first.
Yeah.
I should do the same.
Not being shut up. Yes! Save progress. Bach o perspective, o hwn yn 80 to 100 hour game. Dwi'n ei 6 awr. Iawn. O, dwi'n sefyll fan'na. Bach o social links a goffan y stream am hynna. Ti'n social link? Dwi'n mwyn coel social link. study in the library. Yes! Fucking clever. Cool.
Welcome home.
Hello, Nanako. Rain stop.
Well,
Oh, no, you should go, no. Okay, no, allan. Dwi eisiau fynd i'r shopping. Eisiau curry, jyst i gael curry. Ah, ba ma'n di cau. No! Yes! So my stunts and night skill wants to know. Have I missed before during the day? No, that doesn't matter. This is escape their lives and gather in search of moments of peace. Should have had very crystal. Yes. Yes. Item exchange. Oh my god, we're going now, we're going now, we're going now. Okay. Shop. And then okay, remember. Hwn y bit massive o'r game. Give skill cards. Yep. Yeah. Okay. That. Compendium. Spare compendium yma. So ti'n ffiwsio stuff. Isio registro personas fi. A wedyn yma fuse person. So ti'n gallu ffiwsio. Gallai mixio. Gallai gael pixie. A hwnna, allai creu hwnna. Da fila. Ooh, Archangel. Mae rhywbeth fi'n reid bwysig de. Na. Ac i... Ooh, eligo. Bydd yma a bit of eligo. Oh, big bite. Oh. Sio hwnna, ie. Oh, ti literally bollocks. Okay. Dyma. Dwi angen... Angen pan. Yes. So dwi'n sacrificeio'r tri yna. A dwi'n cael hwnna'n lle. So mae compendium llawn mix a matcho. Beth ydi, fydda, ti'n ffiwsio wahanol personas yn creu personas newydd a stuff. A maen nhw'n herifio stats a pwar. It's cool. It's cool. No, man. Look at me. Down. Okay, normal. Oh my god, what? But yeah. Oh, use it. Yeah. Oh. Sticio. Rhywbeth efo ice. Iawn, dyna fi am heddiw. Let's go quest. Okay. Ah, fucking online, right? Iawn. Done. Ni safio fan'na. Call it a day. Call it a day. Very, very successful. Very, very successful stream. Very successful. Heblaw am y ffaith camera yma reisol. Heblaw am hynna. Very successful stream. Diolch yn fawr iawn i pob oedd yn gwachod. Diolch am y channel redemption. Diolch am yr 1 bit. Diolch am y sub. A wyla i chi y tro nesa. Ella fory. Ella fory. Ond i bai fyna rhywun yn chwarae streamio. So. Diolch yn fawr iawn pob. A this is Emrys, signing off for the night. Ta-ra! Na. Efo, ideal. Goodbye. Hwn i fod i stopio hyn, dwi wedi gwneud settings newydd.